Do you grind your teeth like so many others? Want to get rid of that problem? You've come to the right place. We're going to show you 2 spots you have to press and 1 exercise, and at the end, I'll show you how you can stop gnashing those teeth for good. The reason why you grind your teeth is excessive tension, and we are going to tackle that now. I promised you 2 spots, 2 important spots. You take this tool with the round tip, not flat, but round from our pain releaser set, or you whittle a wine cork into the appropriate shape and then apply it here, laterally on your jaw. Ina's going to show you, but first feel the spot together with us. Feel the ridge in the back and the lower ridge with your fingers. And then you will notice a corner. And then move your fingers up a bit and you will hit on a muscle that bulges a bit. And that is exactly the spot you want to try out. Place the pain releaser on it and identify the point that hurts the most. In case it is hard for you to keep your head straight, give it some support with your hand from the other side, push against it, and stabilize your head. And then you will feel a lot of pressure we are going to relieve now. Press on it, harder. You will feel pain going up to 8 or 9 on your personal pain scale. 10 means you have to hold your breath, counteract physically or mentally. We don't want that. You have to go back under 10 and stay there. You will notice how the pain subsides. And the moment it drops below 8 or 7, press a little harder again. Or move around the spot to find more pain sensitivity, because that means more pain receptors signal to your brain to reduce tension, normalize everything. And we do that so you can reduce your teeth grinding and maybe at some point even get rid of the mouth guard you wear to protect your teeth. You won't need it anymore. Let's move on to the other side. Find the spot, feel for the bone ridges, find the corner of the jaw, and then put the pain releaser on it and locate the spot that is most pain sensitive. Ina, did you find it? Give your head some support. Normally your head is strong enough and you won't need that support. And now, go for the pain. As you know, no pain, no gain, but always under 10 on your personal pain scale. It should be therapeutic pain. You are your own therapist here, using our osteopressure technique. That's our goal. We want to empower you so you can do it yourself, independently, and won't have to seek help all the time. I see you're suffering a bit. That looks good. That's the face I want to see. Please send us your comments. Did you find this spot? Can you feel how pain sensitive they are? Do you understand our intentions? Ask us for information, things you want to see in our videos, things we can improve. Send us your comments, maybe a thumbs up for teaching you about these spots. That would be nice. As soon as you're done, slowly take the pain releaser off. Do that slowly, please. It is a lot of stress, so remove it slowly. And now we're going to do a special exercise. Ina, put your chin into this hand grip. Look into the camera so everyone can see it. Now, open your mouth. Stretch it really wide. Now, tense up briefly as if you wanted to close it. Release it for a moment and then open it wider. And when you open your mouth wider, use this trick. Don't use only your hands to pull it open, but also keep on opening your mouth actively. Not only your hand pulls, but your jaw itself wants to open even wider. Start slowly. Tense up, Ina. Release the tension, then push your mouth open with your hand and with your jaw. Tense up again. Release, open wider with your hand and your jaw. I'll count, and while I'm counting, you tense up. When I say more, you actively open your mouth with your jaw and push with your hand. 1. And more. And 2. And more. And 3. And more. And 4. And more. And 5. No, hold, don't close. And more. And 6. And more. And 7. And more. And 8. She's good. I hope you can do that too. And more. And 9. And more. She's shaking a bit. That's good. And 10. And more. And 11. And more. And 12. And open your mouth as wide as it has ever been. Don't stop. More. Don't stop yet. And slowly release. Great. While Ina is relaxing a bit, I want to motivate you to come and meet me on Sunday. Should we meet? Coming Sunday at 11? I can make a personal appointment with you. You could see me and work out with me for 30 minutes together with thousands of others. Do that and your pain will subside and you will be more flexible no matter how old you are. Works for every age. Hope to see you on Sunday. Now, I want to show you how you can get rid of this teeth grinding for good. The trick we're going to use is simple. It's about moving your jaw in all possible directions, any direction it can go. And that prevents the building up of tension to begin with. You do that 2 or 3 times a day or during the night, if you should wake up and it fits into your schedule. Okay, let's do it. Ina, open your mouth as wide as you can, as wide as possible. Then close it. Then move your lower jaw to the left as far as it can go. Push more. Release. It's important that you use all your strength. Now to the right, all the way, hard. Release. Now, down left. Open, and move down left. Even if it doesn't look pretty, we won't post any pictures of you. Now close. Then open, and down right. Open more. Ina is still trying to get the hang of it. You have to figure it out for yourself at home, and after a while it gets better. Open and pull to the right, hard to the right, and relax. Then push your chin forward as far as you can go. Put all your strength into it. As far as you can go. And now, the last part. Pull your chin back. All the way back as if you want to push your chin into your throat. More forcefully. If you do that regularly, you'll notice how the tension, this grinding tension, goes down. Have fun with it. If you enjoy our exercises, subscribe to our channel. Go to subscription and then the bell appears. Activate the bell so it can remind you. And there's even more on offer. I already talked about the Sunday training session, but we also have 2-minute exercises 4 times a week on WhatsApp. Click on the info box up here and sign up for it, and you can participate whenever you like. But on Sunday, it should be in your schedule, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Send us a comment about how you like the exercises, the pressing, and everything, so we get some feedback. And a thumbs up is always welcome. Do it right away so you don't forget. Thanks, and ciao.